One of the best features of iTeachify.ai is that you get to instantly generate certificates of achievements, as well as notices and letters based on rewards and demerit systems. To do that, let's go to the reward system under the Classroom tab on the navigation bar. Click and add a reward, which you can then give a name. Let's call it Motivated. Thankfully, the AI will help us give it a description. Adding points for our newly created reward is optional, so let's add 3 points to it. All of your created rewards are saved here, so you can reuse them as you desire. Now let's scroll down to assign this reward to one of our students. Click on Add a Reward. Then on the pop-up menu, select the class, student's name, and the reward you want to give. Once that's done, you should be able to see the assigned rewards records at the bottom of the page. Now in the same way, we can create and assign demerits. Head over to the demerit system on the Classroom tab again. In the Manage Demerit section, let's add a new demerit, give it a name, description, level, and of course, negative points. Now let's assign it to a student from the Assign Demerit section down below. Now, of course, this won't be as effective if it wasn't documented. Let's go to the Certificates and Letters page under the Reports tab on the navigation bar. Now, make sure to select the class, the student, or students you want to generate certificates or letters to. If you scroll down to the Report Customization section, you should be able to select certificates and the letters templates, along with the ability to select a time frame, which then the AI uses to generate the certificate or the letter, based on all the rewards or the demerits which have been assigned within the selected time frame. Now all the selected students' names will have 2 buttons underneath, one for generating a certificate, and the other is for notices or letters, which you can then print out.